Hey guys, the Rage here. So today we're gonna do a quick unboxing of this Nest thermostat. This is the 4th generation Nest thermostat. So without further ado, let me move the camera a little bit here so you guys can see it better. We're going to pull off this tab to unbox it. Look at that. Alright, and now I think it just slides it up maybe? I don't know. It's like very, there it is. Alright, it slides it out. The box. Oh, the screen is much bigger. Look at that. That's the screen. Very shiny. Very big. This is something. I don't know what this is. I think it's like a little temperature sensor somewhere. This is the connector that goes in the back. Some instructions, which I'm not gonna read, and a base in case you want a base to install on, which I don't. There is the brackets and bottom is some screws. I like the way they package the screws. These are pretty neat, and that's it. That's how it comes in the box, like different layers here. Yep, so I'm gonna go ahead and install this. What I was really hoping for, and I'm gonna check, see if the base is the same as the old one, and then I can just take one off and put the other one in, but I doubt it because there's this new connector here. I do not recall that one having the same connector, so I'll probably have to replace the base, but the wire should be all the same, so it should be simple. So I will be doing that. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, this looks a lot different than the first one. It's also lighter, even though it is bigger, and it still rotates, which is nice. I don't see a screen protector here, so maybe it doesn't have one, or maybe it came with it, but it's also a push button, so it doesn't seem to leave too much of a fingerprint, so that's nice. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I certainly enjoyed making for you guys, and take care until next time, guys. Bye.